OMG. As leader of new energy conduction industry, is the first one to drive the new energy revolution for green life. With responsibility, high proficiency, lead revolution in new energy conduction products, make our planet more clean and beautiful. OMG believes that professional is the base of everything. Professional makes energy transforming possible. Professional makes the security and convenience of new energy using. Professional makes a leading product. Also makes the technology of new and strong energy walking into our life. We are seeking perfection in technology and quality, which make each product of OMG shows perfect vitality. The outstanding performance and sales data proves that OMG has opened a new age of new energy conduction, making new energy conduction industry vibrant. Revolution also makes obstacle, but every OMGE will face it with our dream. Be persistent, keep going. This is the faith of every OMGE, the commitment of OMG Corporation. With this faith, we can bear our competitor, go beyond ourselves. Be brave to be the leader of green conduction and new energy. OMG, New Energy Enterprise Authority.